Imagine you are going to have a very important event of your life. Okay, now you are nervous. Your heart starts beating fast, and the part slightly above your abdomen starts hurting. Your breathing gets faster, you start walking here and there, and it seems like you don't have control over your body. You even drink a little bit of water to calm yourself, but it doesn't work, right? And as the time comes closer, this keeps increasing. You don't seem to know what to do to control this thing and to control over your body, because you don't want to make any mistakes and you don't want to ruin that moment out of excitement, nervousness, whatever you call it, right? Have you experienced this? I'm sure you have experienced this. Now, what to do in that kind of situation? Let me tell you a simple breathing exercise that will help you in these kind of situations. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lina, and today in this video we are going to do a pranayama, a breath work to calm your nerves, to calm yourself in these kind of situations. Okay, now this breathing name, this pranayama name is box breathing. So this breath work can be done by everybody. Anybody can do it in these kind of situations where you feel nervous, where you want to calm yourselves. Okay, now how to do, let's begin. Now let me just explain you the process first. Box breathing is inhale, hold, exhale, hold exercise. Okay, so imagine it in a box. For 4 seconds you will inhale, then hold for 4 seconds, then for 4 seconds you will exhale, and then you will again hold for 4 seconds. So the cycle will continue, okay, till as much time as you want to do it. It's better if you can do it for 21 times. Now why 21 times? Let's keep it for some another video. Let's focus on this one first. Now you can do it for minimum 7 times and longer if you want. Here in this video we are going to do it for 21 times. Okay, let's begin. You have to sit spine erect, and if you don't get any place to sit, you can also stand and do it. Just make sure that your spine is erect. Now, inhale in the count of 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale in the count of 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Inhale again for 4 seconds. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. 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 Hold. Exhale. hold, inhale, hold, exhale, 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 hold. Now rub your hands and generate heat while rubbing your hands. This is called palming. And now place your hands on your eyes and then slowly open your eyes. Hari Om. So that was box breathing. Meet you in the next video where I'm going to tell you another pranayama. Bye bye until then. And remember to stay strong.